Emirates 147, I'm at Speech Try, clear to land, wind 31019, gust 31.
Clear to land, runway 36 right, Emirates 147.
Main check for the Emirates, it's 31021, gust 27.
Can you say again for Emirates 147, the wind?
The wind check for you is 31021, now gust 26.
Roger, thank you. Emirates 147 will vacate Echo 5.
Echo 5 is fine, call ground 121.805, bye.
We'll contact 121.805, Emirates 147, thank you. Ground, hello, Emirates 147 Super on Echo 5.
Hello Emirates 147, Golf 9er, Bravo.
Golf 9 Bravo, following me.